Nature is very complex and marvelously organized. And nature has provided so many lessons for us to learn from. Yet many of us are blind to all these lessons. First of all, look at the ants. They are amazing team players. They work unconditionally. No training, no wages, no nothing. Not even meetings. Yet, they automatically get things done. They are always on the move. Humans should be ashamed if they lack cooperation in their work. And look at the honeybees. They fly off from the beehive and reach the place of work, the flowers, where they're supposed to tap the nectar and bring back to the beehive. They almost always arrive early. And what do? What do? They dance around the flowers. They dance around, and somehow, although they don't have a watch, they know the timing. And then when the right time comes, they start to work and take the nectar and bring back to their beehive. Well, they love their work. As for humans, do they all really enjoy their work like the honeybees? No, a lot of grouses and complaints. Monday blue and Tuesday purple, and until Friday 5 p.m. then only they come alive. But when they don't have a job, they pray and cry that they may be employed and have the income to provide for their overheads and take care of their family. And look at the wind and the rain consistently blowing and blowing. Even the mountains will begin to erode and flatten. The wind and the rain are like chisels. The hands of nature using wind and rain to chisel at mountains and rocks into different shapes and sizes. And look at the stream. Once emerged from its source, the spring, it continues to flow. Perseverance is in the spirit of the stream. They meander course across rough terrain and finally transform into a river. And finally, with determination, flowing across all the rough terrain, it reaches the open seas and are set free. Indeed, there's so much more that we can learn from Mother Nature if only we open up our 5 senses. If we do not awaken ourselves, we will never discover the potential, the treasures of potential that is inside each and every one of us. Each one of us is a miracle. Each one of us is uniquely one of a kind. The thumbprint gives evidence to that. No one has the same thumbprint. No one. Millions and millions of people come and go. Not one of them has got the same thumbprint. So you see, we are all uniquely one of a kind, and therefore we must appreciate who we are, adore who we are, and love who we are, and pursue greatness to creativity, effortlessly, getting things done. Otherwise, when time comes, all all the unused potential, undiscovered potential will be buried 6 feet in the ground, which is why the cemetery is the richest place in the world, with so much hidden potentials buried right there. Awaken, awaken. The electricity flows. When a certain switch connects to a fan is switched on, electricity goes to the fan and the fan turns. When a certain switch is switched on, electricity that is connected to a turbine, the turbine moves. And therefore, we have got to use our focus, the energy in our mind, to focus on things that we need to do greater things in life. Focus and send those energy towards those whatever that we want to achieve. Switch on and focus, and with discipline and determination, move on and realize the potential of your talents, your gifts, and your callings.